two Level 8 bags do after a week at sea? Are Level 8's design choices functionally useful? Let's find out. A few months ago, Level 8 sent us these bags in exchange for our honest review.
So we're going to review these bags on three things: durability, functionality,
and who these bags are best for. Michaela is joining us as she was part of our crazy Cozumel, Mexico, Margaritaville at Sea Islander extravaganza VIP tour, whatever we want to call it.
A fabulous time.
So here is the Hegent that measures in at 21 by 15 by 9, weighs 10 pounds, and is a 38 liter capacity. Has a built-in aluminum frame, durable German-made Macrolon polycarbonate shell, features a 3-layer design. Telescoping handle. It has ultra-quiet 360-degree spinner wheels, has a dual TSA-approved zipperless lock, soft-touch rubber handles, a stylish matte finish, and at the time of recording, retails for $239.
Hey y'all, we're Aaron and Todd.
Welcome to our channel about travel hacking, and van life. We hope that through our journeys, we inspire you to get out of your backyard to see the world on the cheap and sometimes free. If you like the sounds of that, then please subscribe.
Okay, oh my god.
I was all good until then.
So I used the Level 8 Capture bag. The Capture measures in at 23 by 15 by 9, weighs 8.4 pounds, and has a 40 liter capacity with a unique expandable bottom, increasing overall capacity to 46 liters. It is constructed of a durable 1680 ballistic nylon exterior to handle the bumps of travel. Features a front divider pocket for a laptop or other small essentials. The aluminum telescoping handle feels sturdy. It is secured by YKK zippers and comes with a TSA compliant travel lock to secure your items. The wheels are super quiet. Level 8 is known for their ultra quiet 360-degree spinner wheels. On the inside, Level 8 got crafty on their approach to the interior of the Capture. The inside has a wet-dry pocket, unique closure system to keep your things in place, and an integrated removable makeup or dop kit. The Capture 20-inch retails for $339 at the time of this recording.
If you're in the market for some new luggage, check out our link in the description below. That will take you to Level 8's website, where you can use coupon code AaronandTodd10 to save 10% off your order.
Hey. This is an affiliate link, so we do get a small commission from it. However, it does not cost you a single penny.
Nope, not an extra dime, so we appreciate the support. All this talking made me thirsty.
Alright here, so let's talk about the durability of the Hegent. It was a great bag, hard shell, so you're not going to have to worry about any punctures. I was able to, sit on it while I was tired of standing in the airport waiting in line. So it held me up perfectly well. I weigh 220, 230 pounds. The handle, nice and strong, doesn't collapse. I know on one of their prior bags we did have that issue where the handle just kept falling. So the inside had this neat compression on one side. I actually enjoyed that. It made it a lot easier to get my stuff in there. I like to pack a lot of stuff. Durability, I didn't really have any cons, I will say. It held up great. Functionality, the bag worked great. Again, that's what this compression would be for, help with functionality. However, do not like that they went back to the center with their handle. I enjoyed having that big handle on the Voyager. Oh. Another feature I'm very happy with. Look at how large this handle is. It goes the whole length of the suitcase.
So that's a good point. So if you guys are looking at Level 8's website, the carry-on bag that we actually prefer the best out of all of them is the Voyager 20-inch, because the handles are wide. They go from side to side. And so with this one, you have the rails that go down the middle, so that kind of takes away from your storage space. Whereas the Voyager, the rails are on the outside. And I just think it's a better design.
Wet dry pocket right here for any little wet tchotchkes you may end up with. Your loofah, your toothbrush, maybe wet pair of socks,
One of the nice things about the aluminum frame is that there's a gasket that kind of goes all the way around the edge, so when the two halves come together, it helps keep the elements out of your stuff.
It is a little bit on the small side. It'd be good for if you're going over to Europe. It should fit into the European size fairly well, I do believe. TSA pre-locks, of course, are always great. Has two slow release handles, one on top, one on the side. So the 20-inch Hegent, I do believe would be great for anybody that's just trying to get away on the weekend. Short trip. I did have this stuff pretty good though, I would say.
Durability on the Capture 20-inch.
Alright y'all, so I use the Capture 20-inch, and my favorite design about this is the fact that it has this little name tag right here that just pulls out, so you know you can't lose it.
Let it go.
See, like, look how retractable it is. Everyone can see it. The handles do not like have a slow release. They are just handles.
But
You
they're
just hold
beefy
it.
handles.
They are beefy handles.
And there's one on the bottom side as well, so when you shove it in that overhead compartment, it's easy to pull out.
Absolutely. And then it also has the things on the back of it that helps it slide into the compartment easier. The rails.
How'd the handle feel?
The handle is pretty awesome. I'm a little bit shorter than most people, so I was able to adjust it to like partial of the way down instead of like all the way up to make it be a little bit easier for me to maneuver it around. The zippers, so you have a pocket right here on the side that you can put stuff in. I have toenail polish because I came ill-prepared. Has a pocket in the front that you can put something small into. You have a big flap right here, so you can put your iPads, you know, tablets, your computers or anything. So this flops all the way open. This is just another compartment to put more stuff in.
Seems like it's got a lot of little hidden pockets.
It does. So when you open it, the dry pocket's right here. I didn't finish unpacking, by the way.
Make sure it ain't got no bras and panties in it.
So it has the wet dry bag right here, and this is taken out, and you can re-zip it back in there. This right here that holds everything down. There's also another pocket on the inside right here that you can also use to add more stuff into. And then you have another little pocket here to put anything else that you may need that's flat to go into. Now, I like to pack a lot of stuff in general as well.
Them YKK zippers though.
So it also has a bottom to it that expands. That gives it the extra liter percentage right here.
So you gain an extra 6 liters by expanding out. Now it is good to note that it only expands at the bottom. It doesn't expand it at the top. It's just at the bottom. And you did say when you had it packed full like that, it was a little top heavy.
Yeah, so when I had the bag packed full and I had to expand the bottom in order to fit it all in there, when I was rolling it, it did feel a little top heavy, like it kind of wanted to fall over. So that was like pretty much the only downside to it. So I had to make sure my hands were on the handle to make sure it didn't just flop.
One of the other things that I liked about this bag is there's 2 zippers that you can combine them together. This bag does come with an included TSA approved lock, and you see you've got these 2 locks. Sorry, I gotta hold the mic. So that you put the little lock in there and then you can secure your stuff together. But overall, who do you think this bag is for?
I feel like it's kind of for everyone, but I feel like more women would want this one because it's more sleek looking. It reminds me of like a bag like a well-to-do pilot would take on a trip or something. It's very feminine. I will say the only other thing I really didn't like about it is the ballistic nylon on the outside of it. It kind of held dirt a little bit too much, and you could tell that it held a little bit of dirt.
So maybe if they offered it in something other than black, maybe
Yes.
like a tan or a brown or a green, something that maybe wouldn't show dirt as bad.
Yes,
Yeah.
100%. But other than that, it was a great bag. It moved well. You know, I didn't
Cool.
have to mess with it too much.
So leave us a comment down below. Do you prefer a soft-sided luggage versus a hard-shell luggage?
Thank you, Level 8, for being a supporter of our channel.
Now that you've seen what the Hegent and the Capture carry-ons offer, watch the video on the screen next to see how 2 other bags that Level 8 gave us survived 25,000 miles of travel, spanning 8 countries, 5 continents, and 14 flights. See you in the next one. Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Ow. This is stabbing me in the back. Kayla, you gotta
Take a fuck right now.
Well, just say the line. Thank you, Level 8, for being a supporter of our channel.